Y'all, here's the finished product. Due to the sun, it's kind of hard to see it, but there we go. There we go. So I need to get the thing to take these off. Get the 1x6 or 8, whatever, and do this area with the plywood and put on the shingle up there, because this is leaking and this is leaking and this causes mold in the ceiling. So I need to change that bit off, and I need to change that bit off. I need to get the guy who is going to render this, smooth it off, level it out, and this one slip a little bit over, so we got to add piece to there and take away piece from there, half an inch from there and add half there. Yeah, but apart from that, he needs to level it off. Yeah, you know, he's gonna do his things. When you do these things, they shift, they jacked up and stuff like that. So the professional that's gonna come in to fix it up know how to sort it out. So next is to fix these roof right there, and I gotta call my neighbor to come and pick these back up, because those were a loaner. Thank you, Richard. So yeah, I got this bit sorted out, and it looks way better now than the flower pot.